Huh? May ako ang abot. This is a room. This is a room. It's very clean. Clean, clean, clean. This is our classmates. It is Dexter and Yanika Dia A. Son. She said. It's, here are my classmates.